Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Anmol Fatma. I am a foundation level student at Rehan School F at campus Islamabad. So today, my TEDx task review. So my topic: power of a single distance. Today, I watched an inspiring video called "Power of a Single Distance" by Zara Noor Abbas. This video teaches us that one small distance can completely change change your life. Sometimes we feel confidence of right of future, but because being when when we decide to more forward what confidence. Zara Noor Abbas explaining beautifully that every successful person become become successful because we choose to never give up or distance ship your future or personality and your dreams. My favorite message from this video is: a single person distance today can create a better tomorrow. To always believing in yourself, take good distance and never stop changing your dream. Thank you so much for watching. So viewers, this is my TEDx task review. Hope so like it. Meet you in my next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.